Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So the Green Dot Cashback Visa debit card is a financial tool designed to bridge the gap between traditional banking and the rewards usually reserved for high-end credit cards. Unlike most debit cards, which just give you access to your own money, this one adds cashback, a savings component, early direct deposit, and overdraft protection. Let's start with the headline feature. Unlimited 2% cash back on all online and mobile purchases. For anyone who shops mostly through online retailers, food delivery apps, subscriptions, or mobile apps, that's an exceptionally high rate for a debit product. Just note it's specific to digital spending, so it's worth understanding exactly what qualifies. There's also a high-yield savings component built in, a 2% annual percentage yield on balances up to $10,000. That's roughly 10 times what many traditional banks offer, making it a reasonable place to park a modest emergency fund. Just keep in mind rates and terms can change, so it's worth comparing against other options periodically. Another strong feature is early pay access, payroll direct deposits up to 2 days early, and government benefits up to 4 days early. It doesn't increase how much money you get, but it can genuinely help when you're timing bills or expenses around payday. For accidental overages, there's up to $200 in overdraft protection through a feature called Back Up Your Balance. As long as you bring your balance back to $0 within 24 hours of the first overdraft, there's no fee. Treat it as an emergency cushion, not a regular spending habit though. Since this is a debit card, there's no credit check required to open an account, a real advantage for anyone with limited or poor credit history. You also get access to a large network of free ATMs through the mobile app, which helps you avoid unnecessary withdrawal fees if you plan ahead. Now, the drawbacks, and this card has some significant ones. The biggest is the $9.95 monthly maintenance fee. It can be waived, but only if you spend at least $1,000 on the card in that same month. If you don't hit that threshold, you're looking at close to $120 a year just to hold the account, which can easily wipe out whatever cash back you've earned. The cashback itself is also narrowly defined, that 2% only applies to online and mobile purchases. Swipe or dip transactions at physical stores generally don't qualify at all. So if most of your spending happens at supermarkets, gas stations, or local retailers, you won't get much value here. On top of that, the payout isn't quick. You typically have to wait a full 12 months of good account standing before you can actually claim your cash back. Here's the part that really matters though. Customer service. Review platforms show consistently low ratings, often between 1.1 and 1.8 stars. Common complaints include accounts being locked or frozen for suspicious activity with no clear resolution path, long wait times, difficulty reaching a human representative, and slow responses to disputed transactions. For any financial account, that kind of friction is a serious concern, especially if your funds get frozen unexpectedly. A few more fees worth knowing. $3 for out-of-network ATM withdrawals, 50 cents for balance inquiries at an ATM, and if you're not covered by that 24-hour overdraft grace period, a $15 fee per overdrawn transaction. On rates, since this is a debit card, there's no APR on purchases because you're spending your own money, not borrowing. For reference, the related Green Dot Platinum credit card carries a fixed 19.99% APR if you're considering that product separately. The 2% savings yield applies to the first $10,000, with interest typically paid out after 12 months. So, who is this actually good for? Someone who does nearly all of their spending online, consistently spends over $1,000 a month to dodge the maintenance fee, and wants a high-yield savings option, especially if they've had trouble qualifying for traditional banking products due to their history. Who should skip it? Anyone who mostly shops in physical stores. You'll miss the core reward while still risking the monthly fee. It's also not ideal if responsive customer service matters to you, or if you typically spend under $1,000 a month. In that case, a fee-free neobank alternative with similar early pay features is likely a better fit. So here's the bottom line. This card offers a genuinely strong combination: high cashback for online shoppers and a competitive savings yield, plus early direct deposit and overdraft protection, all without a credit check. But the risks are real too. That $9.95 monthly fee can eat your rewards fast if you don't hit the spending threshold. The cashback is locked to online purchases only with a 12-month wait, and the customer service complaints are hard to ignore. Weigh your own spending habits and banking needs carefully before deciding if this one's worth it. That's everything you need to know about the Green Dot Cashback Visa debit card. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more.